What's happening YouTube? Your boy Tech Tricks back in another video. Today we're looking at the FeiyuTech Pocket 3. I'm really into like little gimbals, 3-axis gimbal for, instead of like having this big camera setup. Now those are nice if you're doing like weddings and you're getting paid for what you do, but this is nice for everyone who wants to have that big setup but compress it to a little guy. And this one even has a better option because you can have the head like this separated from the body, and I'll show you that later on how that's beneficial. So let's open this up and let's see how well it does. Here we go. First things first, make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and if you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below, so go ahead and check that out. It does comes with a bag as well and a bunch of accessories like mounting it on your helmet or your car or something like that. It also has a tripod mount with just a little GoPro stuff, right? Let's put that on the side for now. This also has like a wrist strap or head strap. You can put that on there so that it won't fall off, just to make sure. Now it did come with a little selfie stick as well, which is really nice to see for this kind of setup, right? Just boom, you're done. Ready to go right there. Comes with this little tripod stand as well. There you go, very tiny. Boom. Let's open this guy up, the handle. Instruction manual right there. And the handle itself. There you go. Let's put that away. What else do we get in the box? Comes with a bag again for the handle, USB-C cable, and a little wrist strap right there, and that's it. Let's open this guy up now. This is where the magic starts. Boom. Look at that little setup. Comes with the little guy here as well for the handle. Little tripod mount again, pretty nice. Comes with accessories as well in this box. On the other side comes with the bag again. Sweet. Comes with this USB-C cable, more straps for the head there, and instruction manual and a bag for that. There you go. Now that's a few stuff. Let's just put it all away and let's go ahead and check it out. Now the FeiyuTech Pocket 3 is actually one of the world's first detachable cordless gimbal camera. It has a 3-axis gimbal stabilizer built into it, and it's pocket size that you can use it anywhere, you can bring it anywhere. The head actually has a built-in magnets as well, so you can stick it on any metal post or whatever. And it has a Sony 1/2.3-inch CMOS sensor with 12 megapixels for images. Now this is really useful if you want a very stable footage when you want to go biking, put it on your helmet, car roof, basketball hoop, or curb post. The built-in magnet make your hands free as well, and it can unlock more shooting angles. There's a few ways to use it as well. There's a handheld mode, fast follow mode, fast tracking speed, riding mode, which is a low tracking speed. There's the mounting mode as well, which is a medium tracking speed. You can mount it on the side of your car as well. As you drive, you can take a video of that as well. You can connect this via FeiyuCam app and be able to connect via Wi-Fi, so it will shoot real time with no lag. It's just really good if you want to use your phone as a display. It has a 130 super wide angle, so you can shoot 4K 60 frames with 130 degree super wide angle. Really good for underwater photography, action sports, and then you can reframe later on during post. You can also have a breakpoint resume record. It allows you to pause filming temporarily, then resume the filming at a breakpoint. There's also smart AI tracking. It actually shows that you can track like objects and even faces, and the gimbal will be able to track that, and you don't really have to keep your face in the middle, it'll do that for you. There's also different filming modes like panorama, static time-lapse, motion time-lapse, and slow-mo. You can even use it for hyperlapse as well. There's a few ways that you can mount it. You can mount it on your wrist, put a chest mount if you have that, helmet mount. So if you want to connect your Pocket 3 to the computer, all you gotta do is use the USB-C on the side here. So you can see it's connected there. Push this in like so, and that way you'll get this notification. Use this for transferring files. PC cam is what you want. Now let's go to our Mac now. If you want to see it, you just need to go to QuickTime, hit File, and then Movie Recording. Boom. And that's it. You just select Feiyu camera right here, and you're ready to go. You'll be able to see and use your Pocket 3 for a webcam. You can also use the U-Disc via just the camera itself. You don't need the handle, as you can see there. Then you could transfer files to your PC. So this is the Pocket 3. It has this slider right here for zooming in. There's the analog right here to control the gimbal. Record button right there. Manual button for selections. USB-C on the side here. Micro SD slot up there. On top here, it has a power button because it can be separated right up here. It has a manual, another manual button right there. Shutter button or record button right there. On the side is the power button as well. And it has a few mics in and around of this area right here. The bottom has this tripod mount. You can mount it in wherever you want. Take a look at this, okay? Got the Pocket 3 right here, and we have the somatic control on, and basically wherever you point your camera, that is where the gimbal starts to move. Really cool, right? That's so awesome. Let's take this off there so you guys can see better. There we go. That is sweet. So pretty much you can take this and then stick it to a wall like this, and you can still remote control with this.
Soft too, love.
It's good. Now there is this option to have like this really long stick for a neck, and you'll be able to control it like this, and then you can extend the camera higher if you wanted to. Really useful when you're like shooting higher. If you want to extend your camera higher, you could do that with this. And that's it for the day, everyone. Thanks for watching. I hope I was able to help you. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button. If you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below. It is an affiliate link and it does help the channel a lot if you get it from there. I'll see you guys next time, and peace out.